Install drain tile behind the first course of above-grade blocks. Cut and place a unit to allow the pipe to daylight through the wall. Backfill with gravel after each course. Use a hand tamper behind the wall and in corners. For large areas, use a compactor and keep heavy equipment 3 feet from the face of the wall. Compact in lifts based on the capacity of your equipment. After compacting, tap the top of the blocks near the back with a rubber mallet or dead blow hammer to ensure each lip remains seated against the block below. Before adding new courses, clean debris from the blocks. Place a unit on top of the course below. Pull forward gently to engage the rear lip. Repeat additional courses in the same manner until completed.